How to animate a character. You'll love this one.
Go to animate a character in Adobe Express. Have a look at all the characters you can choose. Maybe Harriet or Fergus, maybe Pinky Bear or Rowan. Choose one that you would like to use. There are lots and lots to choose from, so scroll down to have a look at them all. Here's one I rather like, Dory. Purple monster, purple bluey monster with red glasses, horns and yellow beads. Go to the background tab and choose a colour background if you like. If you want a different type of background, scroll down through the available backgrounds until you find something that suits you. Some of them are a little bit busy. I want my subject to stand out. Those dots really detract from what's happening. This one's interesting, but the pink looks better with little dots in the background, a contrasting colour. Choose 16 by 9. If you can't find it, select the YouTube. Then go to record and read out the script that you previously wrote about what do you like. Record for a maximum of 1 minute, and when you've finished, you can press done.
You can see the pretty ones, you can see the sparkly ones.
It'll take a little while for the lip syncing to occur, and you can watch it as it processes and look at the percentages as it gets close to a finished product. 59%, nearly there, 76%, and we're done. Then you can go down and you can click on the start button and listen to your voiceover back, and you'll see that your character's lips move in sync with what you were saying.
They're so gorgeous. You can see the pretty ones, you can see the sparkly ones.
From here, you can download the video, or you can click on Open in Editor, which will take you to Adobe Express. Add an extra section, and then we're going to add some text for our title. In our title, type your title. I like rocks. Then you can format your text. Make it larger or smaller. Change the font. This one looks pretty good. By and your name. You just click on it and swap it over to the front. Let's pretty this up a little bit. Go to Media and type in something that goes with your title. I'm typing in rocks. Scroll down till you find something that you like. I'm going to view all of the image options. Let's have a look at this one. You can stretch the image out so that it fills the page and move it up. I didn't like that one. This one looks interesting. Stretch it out so it fills the page. Then right click on it and go send to back. I'm going to send to the very back. The image looks good, but the font color is wrong, so I'm going to change the font color and also move the font down a little so that it is more readable against the background. Select the text and go to more colors and try a few options. White looks pretty good. Yellow looks interesting. I think we'll stick with white. I'm also going to add an outline colour. I'll add just a light black line outline to make it more readable. Bye Kathy looks fine. Move my rocks title down. Looking very good. I can add another blank scene. This time I'm going to type crystals and add a couple of photos if I like to the end. Go up to the share option and you can download the file to Google Classroom, to Teams, Google Drive, anywhere you like, or just download it directly to your computer. MP4 is the best option. Then show your videos to the rest of your class.
I like rocks.